To create a magazine style cover, take the object selection tool and create a selection of the image. Now add a layer mask on it to remove the background. Let's crop the width. Take the crop tool and while holding shift, drag it inside. After you are done, right click, crop. Now take the text tool and type Be Bold. Rotate it, scale it up and position it on the left. We will create a unique style of design, so while holding Ctrl, make a selection of the text. Hide it for the time being. Go to select and inverse the selection. Take the rectangular marquee tool, choose the subtract option from the top and create a half rectangle from the right. It will subtract this selection. Give it a color, add an adjustment layer of solid color, choose the color white, hit OK. Make sure to move the text layer below the image. Unhide it and add an adjustment layer of gradient fill. Click on it to edit, choose the red color gradient, hit OK twice. Now to add more emphasis on the image, select the image layer and add an adjustment layer of crop shadow. Choose the color white and make the blend mode normal. Set the opacity 100% and manually adjust the shadow just a little bit to the right. Hit OK. Take the text tool and type another text. Make its color white. Place it on the right bottom. I think we should move the image to the right, and that's perfect. For the final touch, add an adjustment layer of color lookup. Set the 3D LUT file to film stock. If you learned something new, hit the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon for learning updates. My name is Shubham. I thank you so much for watching Graphic Arena.